Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring the phone has power and an active SIM so networks return after reset. Once done, record your APN and Wi-Fi passwords. That prevents reconfiguration headaches. Now open Settings, tap System, then Reset Options. Tap Erase Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth to begin the network reset flow. This targets radio profiles without wiping apps or media. Make sure you're looking at the correct menu. It's specific to network settings, not factory reset. You'll see a confirmation dialog that explains what's removed: saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairing, and mobile APN settings. Read it, then tap Erase Settings to proceed. If your device requires a PIN, unlock to authorize. This prevents accidental changes. The phone will clear the radio configurations and restart network services. Let the process complete without powering off or removing the SIM. Once the system finishes, it may reboot. That's normal and indicates the reset applied. After reboot, you must reconnect to Wi-Fi and repair Bluetooth devices. This restores your connections. For mobile data, confirm carrier APN settings. Enter them manually if automatic profile didn't restore. If you see no signal, toggle airplane mode on then off, then restart the phone. That forces the modem to reattach to towers. If problems continue, contact your carrier to verify service or test with a different SIM to isolate hardware versus provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.